We are so excited to present 3405 O'Donnell Street right in the heart of Canton. This beautiful home was built 6 years ago by Building Character, one of the city's premier custom home renovators. You still have 4 years on the CHAP tax credit, and the next owner of this home will enjoy 5 bedrooms, 3 on the upper level, very rare, 2 big bedrooms in the basement, and a wide open floor plan. Stunning views from the rooftop deck, 2-car parking right in the heart of Canton. This is an unbelievable value, high-end finishes throughout. I personally love the kitchen with the abundance of white cabinets, high-end countertops, stainless steel appliances. All bathrooms in the house are custom. We have glass showers in the owner's suite, large walk-in closets, and again, 4 years left on the CHAP tax credit, which will offer you a ton of savings. If you're interested in one of the best blocks in Canton from one of the best builders with 2-car parking, 5-bed, 4-bath, 1,900 square feet, contact me, Andrew Undum, or anyone at the Schur Group of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, and we look forward to showing you more inside.